After you consume a meal, the food is broken down into simpler molecules and used as fuel for your body's proper functioning. The pancreas, an organ in the abdomen, produces insulin, which is a hormone that helps cells absorb the glucose found in the bloodstream after a meal. On the other hand, dietary fat is broken down into fatty acids, which are then utilized by the body for energy and other biological processes such as testosterone production. Excess fatty acids are converted back to triglycerides and then mostly stored as body fat. Meanwhile, excess carbohydrates from the meal are first converted into glycogen, which is a chain of glucose molecules that can be stored and used later. Most glycogen is stored in the liver and muscles, but once a person's biological limit of glycogen storage is reached, the rest is converted into triglycerides and stored as body fat. This is the routine process the body goes through after eating. However, if you were to stop eating for 3 days, the body would have to start using its glycogen reserves to fuel itself after 6 to 10 hours of fasting. During this time, the pancreas secretes glucagon, which signals the body to release glycogen and fatty acids. If your last meal was low in carbohydrates, your body may start producing ketones as an energy source. The blood glucose levels will start to elevate then decline, while ketone levels will gradually rise. If you are used to eating 3 meals a day or regularly eat a high-carb diet, you may experience hunger and low energy levels. The hunger is tied to your circadian rhythm and the hunger hormone ghrelin. If you continue fasting, the hunger pangs will subside and your body will adapt to a new meal frequency. After fasting for at least 10 hours, your body will increase levels of human growth hormone HGH, which plays an important role in the fasting process by delaying the breakdown of muscle, stimulating metabolic processes, and enhancing muscle repair, exercise performance, immunity, and recovery from injuries. The longer you fast, the more HGH you will produce. After 12 to 16 hours of fasting, your body will continue to deplete glycogen stores and increase its reliance on ketone bodies. You may start to feel cold, as your body temperature will be lower from not digesting food. Studies have shown the benefits of fasting for 10 to 17 hours daily, including improved weight management, digestion, cholesterol levels, and more. Click here to find out more.